Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create a new project in Adobe After Effects. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Adobe After Effects. So right now, the first thing that you need to do guys, in order to create a new project, is go to the top left corner. Right here, you're going to find the Home button. Go ahead and click on it. And then as you can see guys, once you click on it, you're going to be here in the home section. Once you're here in the home section, right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find the option to create a new project. You're going to find open a project, new team project, and lastly, open a team project. So right now I'm going to click on create a new composition. And then once you do that right here, you can choose to add a file to work with. So for example, I'm going to work with this file. And then as you can see, guys, it will be added directly to your timeline. Once you add it, right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of the tools that you need in order to customize your project. So for example, here in the right, you're going to find this effects and preset menu where you're going to find all of the presets that you can use easily on Adobe After Effects. You're going to find all of your compositions and all of your files that you added to the project. Here in the top, you're going to find some tools like the type tools. Here you're going to find the pen tool and also the raw brush tool. And basically, guys, when once you finish, you can just go to File, and then here you're going to find Export, and then you can export your work. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.